Hey guys, today we're comparing these two RoboVacs. On my left here, you have the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus, and on the right here, closest to me, you have the Roborock S7 Max Ultra. Both of these are great RoboVacs, bestsellers on Amazon. But let's go into what makes each one unique, what some of the similarities are, and then ultimately what I think. So first things first, you have obviously two separate companies, iRobot versus Roborock. There's a lot of similarities between these guys. iRobot and Roomba has obviously been around a long time. They are kind of one of the names of the games and synonymous with Roborock or RoboVacs, but Roborock is a little bit more of a newer competitor. So if you want a little bit more of an established name, maybe that's something to be considered. But both of these have extremely good apps. Now I'm going to show you here. You have the Roborock app, and then you also have the iRobot app. Now, both of these are going to be extremely good. You're going to be able to do just about everything with them that you want to do. I'll show you here on the Roborock app. You're going to be able to see the health and battery level of everything. You're going to be able to load the map. You're going to be able to schedule things, but you're also going to be able to do that on the iRobot app. So something to consider. Now, both of these have the self-emptying bins. You can see here that I'll get into this in a sec, but you have the self-emptying bin here and you have it there. In terms of volume, the iRobot is actually going to be much louder. So that's something to be considered when you're talking about the vacuuming and everything like that. It's going to be much louder than the Roborock. But the biggest difference is going to be that the Roborock obviously has capabilities to mop. So we're going to turn both of these over here. You can see here that this has the mopping function. That's what these are for. This is going to be able to clean the mopping function on the RoboVac, and then it's also going to take all of the nasty water and everything like that in there. So as I turn both of these over, you're going to see they are similar in some ways, but very different. You get the two power fins here over on the iRobot, but on the Roborock, you only get the one. You obviously also get the mopping function that I mentioned that you don't get on the iRobot. Now, you're going to get both adjustable wheels. You're going to get the bristles here at the front. You're going to get the charger, the controlling wheel, and then you're going to get the sensors and the bumper plates and everything like that. So they're extremely similarly built, extremely similarly built there, but ultimately have a lot of differences. I would say if you are looking for a two-in-one, one that can do both, then the Roborock is absolutely the way to go. Obviously, is going to come with everything that you need to be able to mop and sweep the whole house. But if you're looking for something a little bit simpler, maybe you go with the iRobot. Personally, I would go with the Roborock because it's going to be able to get everything done that you need to. But that's just my opinion. So would definitely say either one of these is great, but I would lean a little bit more towards the Roborock.